Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to record overpayments in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Xero, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Recording an overpayment in Xero involves a few steps to ensure that your accounts accurately reflect the excess payment. Now, here's how you can handle an overpayment. Once you are here on the interface of your Xero homepage, I want you to go to the dashboard that you want to work with. In my case, I'm gonna just choose the demo company, US. I'm gonna click on it provided by Xero itself. Now, the reason I'm using the demo company because the Andy Guides does not have any real transactions because I created this account for the sole purpose of the tutorials. Now, the demo company has more information and data that we can play along, but of course, the process and method is the same. All right. So for example, this is going to be your transactions here on your account. Just click on the reconcile 29 items. That means these are the transactions recently that has happened to this specific account. I want you to click on it. Now I'm looking on the first transaction, which is going to be the August 8, 2024 City Limousines 0017 part. Now what I'm going to do is copy this specific transaction by going to the match. All right, for example, you have a transaction here. Copy that and go to match and find and select matching transactions below. Right? If you can't find it, you can search by name or reference. Click on go, but if you already have it, it's a lot easier. You see, we're looking on the August. For example, this one matches this. Okay. Now, I'm looking at the received payment was $100. And the for example, I'm just taking this for example, all right, and you have like $90. So basically there's an overpayment that happened. Okay, in that case, if this is that transaction, I want you to click on it, all right, by choosing the selected transactions. I want you to go down below where you can see the option that says new transaction, and then click on receive money, because we're going to refund the excess amount and we're going to record it obviously as overpayments on the Xero account. Now here, that's going to be from City Limousines. Now for City Limousines, make sure that you have the correct account. Okay, that one. Because maybe if you're working with multiple clients or on databases, there are similar City Limousines and you don't want to send the refund or the overpayment record in a different account. All right, make sure you have that. And then now after that, there's going to be an option that says direct payment. I want you to click on the drop down menu, click the overpayment. All right, that's why earlier we asked you to click on the receive money. After that, now make sure that the amount is correct. All right, once you've done that, all you're gonna do is click on save transaction and you would be able to record an overpayment in Xero in just a few steps. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.